All right, this how it look when it come out the microwave, right? Okay, but we got some rice. We got some good old rice. And I want to thank my mama for leaving me this rice pot. She gave it to me before she died because she knew I couldn't cook rice. Now don't worry about the surroundings, okay? The rice is done. Okay, it'll be delicious. You can put whatever you want in the rice. It all cook in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on here. I'm gonna open this up and let it breathe. So when I'm really ready for it, it's settled and good. And that's my rice pot. I don't know where my mother got this rice pot from, but my rice pot is I need another one. So if anybody know where this rice pot at, don't worry about all that. I'm gonna clean all that. Please send me the link because I need to get another one because it's been a long many years, but this is so precious and it really do work, and I want to continue using it. So if you know about this rice pot, please send me the link.